Hey, welcome to the channel, Two Vets in a Van. If it's your first time, hope you stick around and subscribe. Okay, Hopi, what did you make?
Chicken, I burn it, surprise.
Well, it smells delicious, Hopi. I like Nessie in it.
Taking a hot swim.
Woke up to a heavy frost. Some steam on the water. Beautiful. Good girl. So we got the sun just poking over the other side of the valley. We are right there. Probably drive for about 3 hours a day. Don't know where we're gonna end up, but yeah.
All right. Sorry about the finger. No problemo. Awesome. And that was a view without the van. And here's the action photo. I'm opening the door. Get in your chair, little Bitsy.
Yeah, so today we started out in Connecticut, then we drove into New York, and we finished up in Pennsylvania. So we actually drove about 4 hours a day, and the colors were amazing. Actually spectacular. It looked like certain areas they had just got to peak brightness, maybe, would you call it? Yeah, before the leaves fall. It was beautiful.
We have buoys down here for.
I'm gonna say there's a falls right there.
Oh,
It's a dam.
gotcha. Oh yeah, it does go. It does go right down.
At the light, turn right onto Bulls Bridge Road. Continue for 1.5 miles.
10 foot 8, can we fit that?
Okay.
It's a covered bridge. It's a covered bridge.
It appears we made it. Oh yeah, it's a man operated dam.
It's hitting the back roads where you actually get to see the America. It is absolutely spectacular. Second half of the day was mostly overcast, but started sunny, and right now while I'm doing this, it is sunny again. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Come on, gorgeous. Let's go back to the house. Okay, so Sabaton's Legend album just came out today. So that's already downloaded. Already listened to about 4 or 5 times. Hope is in the process of making potatoes, onions, chops, pork chops, and something else.
Bacon.
And bacon, that's right. So that's gonna be dinner. I'm about to start this video, and yeah. Might be a short one this time, maybe about 7 minutes, but we'll see. We'll see.